Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME C53 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to enter the camera app, so let's tap on it. And right now we are in the photo mode, standard photo mode, so make sure that you've got it active and then enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. As you can see, it is quite important because even though we've got the general options here, under it we've got only the photo section. We are not able to change the video options, so that's why it is important to have the photo mode on, and then we can simply tap on the timer. As you can see, we've got 3 different options, so the off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, and as you can see, it has been set. So right now we can go back and simply tap on the shutter button. And from now on, your device will count down from 10, or 3 of course, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. So basically this is how it works. Of course you can set the 3 seconds delay or simply tap on off, so your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.